Cedar Crossing represents Seattle's commitment to an inclusive and just community.
Cedar Crossing is an innovative partnership between Mercy Housing Northwest and Bellwether Housing that will be one of the largest affordable housing sites in the city of Seattle. The partnership between Bellwether Housing and Mercy Housing Northwest is one of innovation and collaboration, combining the strengths and resources of two of the most capable and largest nonprofit affordable housing providers in the Northwest. By combining our organization's strengths and capabilities, we are creating a synergy that together makes us stronger.
Cedar Crossing is a 254-unit building under construction right now in the Roosevelt neighborhood of Seattle. Cedar Crossing is unique in a couple of different ways. It will provide affordable housing for families. There's almost no new development happening in Seattle for families, and we're really excited to be able to provide a lot of 2- and 3-bedroom units on the site. It's right next door to what will be the new light rail station in the Roosevelt neighborhood, providing incredible transit opportunities for the people living in the building and making it really a hub for the whole neighborhood.
The Roosevelt Neighborhood Association was really proud to be an early supporter of the project and was able to team up with Sound Transit to put together workshops listening to the wider community to develop principles that mattered to the community and the larger public regarding affordable housing, regarding daycare, increased pedestrian character, and community meeting places.
One of the things that was really important to the neighborhood was to have vital, vibrant retail space on the ground floor, and so there will be plenty of that. You should expect to see an incredibly diverse array of people living at Cedar Crossing. We have studios, 1s, 2s, and 3-bedroom units there, so there'll be singles and families. There will be a range of income levels there. We have a very special relationship with Children's Hospital and Mary's Place to house families who have experienced homelessness as part of getting their kids really critical medical care at Children's and need a permanent place to live.
We are thrilled to be a partner in the Cedar Crossing project. So many of our patients that come to Seattle Children's for the treatment of complex medical needs have issues with having an appropriate and safe place to stay. Having this opportunity for the community is just outstanding and will further the care that the children will receive at Seattle Children's.
Mary's Place is so grateful to be part of this affordable housing project. These larger and more affordable units are perfect for families who are waiting for their child's miracle. Those with medically fragile conditions that just need a place to call home and access to resources and health care. All of these families have sacrificed everything to make sure their child can get their miracle, to make sure that they get the health care that they need. Cedar Crossing is life-saving and life-giving.
Our partnerships at Cedar Crossing are key to our residents' success. We are building a new 4-classroom early learning facility that will be operated by El Centro de la Raza, serving nearly 70 kids.
El Centro de la Raza is very excited and happy to be participating with Cedar Crossing in developing our early childhood development program, which is called Jose Marti Child Development Center. We will be providing dual language, bicultural, diverse curriculum that emphasize for the development of our children community building activities, multiracial unity, social justice. And what this does is that it allows children to develop as young children and that these ideals will carry through the rest of their lives.
Mercy Housing Northwest provides a service model to all residents that includes housing stability, health and wellness, financial well-being, community, and out-of-school time activities. We offer these services as an amenity in our buildings, and they are completely free to our residents. At Cedar Crossing, there will be 2 full-time resident service coordinators. One of these will be a youth initiatives and school liaison position that will work directly with the schools in the attendance area. This will include visiting the schools and developing partnerships with the teachers, principals, and school staff. This allows us to better assist youth with homework assistance and mentorship opportunities.
Bellwether launched a capital campaign to bring in both investment dollars and philanthropic dollars to help us fund Cedar Crossing and a couple of other developments. And those funders and investors have also been a critical part of getting this project off the ground.
As one of the nation's leading residential housing lenders, we have a unique opportunity to collaborate with nonprofits like Bellwether Housing to make an even greater impact. Wells Fargo Foundation was pleased to select Cedar Crossing to receive a grant as part of our $1 billion commitment to housing affordability. We're proud to support Cedar Crossing. It will provide affordable housing in a neighborhood that has great schools, parks, libraries, and convenient access to services.
Hi, I'm Mayor Jenny Durkin. I am so excited that our partners Bellwether Housing and Mercy Housing Northwest are breaking ground on Cedar Crossing. Members of the Roosevelt Neighborhood told us they wanted affordable housing to be part of the plan for their community. And I'm grateful that we are able to deliver on this vision as construction begins on this important new housing development. We also appreciate our partners at Sound Transit for working with us to make this groundbreaking transit-oriented development possible.
Thank you to all of you who have been part of this project, to all of you who are cheering us on. We hope you will come and celebrate with us and welcome these families into the neighborhood in 2022.